I highly recommend going. They've got Turpentine is up there. It's a big cat rescue, and they have over 100 of Joe Exotic's cats.
Oh shit!
Up there, so you can go see all his, and not the big cats though, all his little cats. He's got all the tigers and
Like,
stuff.
why would they? He had little cats.
So the Flash that you're talking about,
Yeah.
I could have sworn I saw it here, over here. Oh, okay, yeah, okay. It's okay.
Chrissy saw the Flash too, so I'm not going crazy.
No,
but I thought that it was like a white flash on the screen, like it looked.
Well, see, like, and then I see the see.
Yeah, but I saw it on the screen. Like I didn't see it on the side of my eye. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go back on this video.
Dude,
and see what
I'm
that
telling
was.
you, like something might have followed me home.
Mark it. That was about 23 minutes.
I'm telling you, something might have followed me home. But that's what I ended up doing.